Good morning. Welcome Heritage High School students, faculty, and honored guests. Today is Veterans Day, a day that we in America honor those who have served and are continuing to serve our nation and our military. At this time, please help me in recognizing the following seniors who have already taken this oath and at the end of this school year will become members of the United States military. Brooke Benham. Trey Blair. Blake Houston. Dakota McMillan. Austin Murphy. Greg Needham. Matthew Seacrest. And Kyle Watkins.
From the Minutemen at Lexington and Concord to the Rough Riders at San Juan Hill, at places named Bunker Hill, Tripoli, Normandy, Panama, Iraq, and Afghanistan, more than 40 million Americans have served in the United States Armed Forces. Now here to perform the Marches of the Armed Forces, under the direction of Mr. David Dickey, is the Heritage High School Concert Band. Semper Fi. From the halls of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, they're always faithful to the fight for right and freedom in the air, on land, and sea, the United States Marine Corps. From the troops of Washington to the soldiers of Schwarzkopf, count out their numbers loud and strong, for where they go, you will always know that those caissons go rolling along, the United States Army. Semper Paratus is their call, proudly protecting our domestic shores in their ships and planes. Patrolling above and below the foamy waters of the world's oceans, keeping them free and secure. Here's wishing them a happy voyage home, the United States Navy.
I would like to thank all of our guests who have come here today, old veterans, current veterans, and new veterans. Ladies and gentlemen, you are dismissed back to third hour.